One of the main reasons I came out to this event today was because there's an opportunity by November 12th for the community to submit public comment on this early action for East Branch.
The Superfund is a process to clean up contaminated sites that reached a certain level where the US EPA designates it. They broke off a branch to do what they call an early action, and this is the East Branch of Newtown Creek.
This is the first ever plan that has been released by the EPA to clean up Newtown Creek. We want to set the cleanup bar as high as possible so that the rest of the creek can follow.
If these toxins that are there are not properly addressed at this specific section, we're really concerned that we're not going to get a thorough cleanup for the entire water body itself. The EPA listens, they accept feedback and input from community members and local stakeholders.
We know in 50 years they're going to be canoeing and boating on this creek, and there'll be life around this creek, there'll be buildings around this creek. If you can't see that, then you really don't see the forest of the trees.
Today's event makes me feel so hopeful. This body of water is so sadly full of contaminants and toxins due to almost 200 years of industrial pollution. And a lot of organisms and people are trying to heal it, to make it again be a beautiful body of water that everyone has access to.
The more the community gets involved, the cleaner and the greener New York City will get.